If you're tired of bulky power cords cluttering your workspace, this right-angle replacement AC power cord is designed with you in mind. It fits popular electronics like desktop computers, HDTVs, LED monitors, ceiling-mounted projectors, powered speakers, and laser printers. The angled female-to-male design connects your device directly to a standard 3-pronged 120 volts AC outlet, keeping cables out of the way. What makes this power cord stand out is its 90-degree angle connector. Instead of sticking straight out, the cable runs parallel to your equipment, making it ideal for tight spaces or setups pushed against a wall. This simple design change helps you save space and prevents cable strain where clearance is limited. Each purchase includes a convenient 2-pack, so you get a matching pair for your computer and monitor. This keeps your setup looking tidy and professional without the hassle of extension cables. Having a spare cable on hand also means less downtime if one cord ever wears out or gets damaged. Built with 16 Aruban fluorines gauge wire, these cables handle up to 13 amps and 300 volts, comfortably supporting common 10 amp, 125 volt power needs. The heavier gauge means better durability and safety compared to the typical 18 Aruban fluorines cables that come standard with most devices or replacement cords. Durability is a priority here. The power cord features a standard NEMA 5 to 15P grounded plug and a 3-slot female IEC 320C13 connector. Fully molded strain relief connectors make gripping and plugging easier while protecting the cable from wear. The sturdy SJT13A, 300 volts rated cord promises long-lasting performance you can count on. Users from across the United States praise this right-angle power cord for its reliability and practical design. One reviewer shared how it helped position speakers flush against the wall without power issues, showing it's not just functional but also a smart choice for neat, space-saving setups. If you're looking for a power cord that combines convenience, safety, and durability, this right-angle replacement AC power cable is worth a look. It's designed to keep your electronics powered securely while minimizing clutter in tight spaces. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your workspace or entertainment area.